Buying or selling a car should be exciting, not stressful. But let us be honest, motor vehicle transfers can be confusing, time-consuming, and full of delays. Missing documents, untraceable owners, endless follow-ups. It's enough to frustrate anyone. That is where TrustPoint comes in. We take the stress out of motor vehicle transfers and turn it into a smooth, fast and reliable experience. Whether you have just bought a car, selling one, or helping a client finalize a deal, our team handles the entire transfer process for you from start to finish. And here is the best part. We offer a 24-hour transfer and logbook collection service. Within just one day, your transfer is completed and your logbook is ready, saving you time, energy, and unnecessary follow-ups. Are you dealing with a missing logbook? Or maybe the original owner cannot be traced? No problem. We specialize in forced motor vehicle transfers, where we help you process all the required documentation, even when the key papers are missing. We guide you prepare everything and ensure your transfer is completed legally and efficiently. At TrustPoint, we don't just offer a service, we offer peace of mind. Fast, reliable, professional. Let us handle the paperwork while you focus on what matters most. Contact TrustPoint today and experience the easiest motor vehicle transfer process in Kenya.